What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're just going to do a quick little Dollar Tree foam tree, Christmas tree DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need a foam cone, say that 100 times, some twine, some wooden beads, and some scissors, and a hot glue gun, of course. So, y'all, let's get started. Once you have completed surrounding your cone, your foam cone with the twine, then the top of your cone is going to be not covered. So all you do is take some hot glue, be very careful, guys, and take a piece of your twine and just make circular motion until it is completely covered. Alrighty, so once your cone is completed, guys, with the twine surrounding it, then I'm going to just take my wooden beads. Now, y'all can leave it blank or, empty, because I like it both ways. But this year, my Christmas theme is pink. So I'm just going to form a little structure using my little pink beads so it can form like more of a point at the top or just give me a topping for my tree. So once I come up with something, guys, I'll show you the finished project. And there you have it, guys. I just glued my beads with the hot glue. I wanted kind of like a star formation, but not a star. So I just came up with this. Something simple, but yet kind of cutesy-wootsy. So once again, guys, y'all don't have to add that little feature. Y'all can leave it plain. And also, if you wanted to just take a piece of paper, so if y'all wanted to form a point at the top with the rest of the twine. So, like I mentioned, just be as creative as you like. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video.